Guys, yesterday was crazy. Probably you guys know Aniket from my last videos. He got a PlayStation 5. Of course, we have already one in the house, but he's moving out and he got a new PlayStation 5. And this was Ashmita's reaction to it.
Yeah.
What?
What?
So where are we going, Ashmita?
To chill, bro.
It's the day Ashmita.
Ashmita is gonna be the sidekick for life.
क्या किया मैंने?
Tell me why you're going to be the sidekick for life.
Sidekick for
Because I'm
life.
just too cool.
You're not too.
If you were too cool, we wouldn't be going there.
I am very cool.
So
Okay.
what is it? What date is it today?
26th of September.
26th of September. Today Ashmita is going to be the side chick for life.
Side chick.
Yeah.
Side
Side chick.
chick.
Side chick for life for Aniket, because Aniket has decided to buy PS5,
Sidekick.
PlayStation
Oh,
5.
sidekick.
Yeah, he has decided to buy a main kick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at him working. Okay. So it was a surprise for all of us. Of course, Vivek also has one PlayStation 5. So we'll show him.
Ta-da!
Yeah.
So I bought this PlayStation before coming here because I knew I would need it, but I didn't know I would have so many friends to play with like Shreyas and Aniket.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
But I play in laptop. So
हाँ तो मैं ले लूंगा, टेंशन मत ले। मैं ले लूंगा, हाँ ठीक है मैं लेता हूँ। देख। मैं ये इंटरव्यू के बाद लूंगा, आज के दोपहर के बाद। जैसे ही इंटरव्यू का PS Plus में ले लूंगा।
Vivek, you have interview today, huh?
Yeah.
What interviews you have?
I have an interview with Emma for e-commerce intern. I think I'm gonna make it easily.
You will make it, bro.
It's like, yeah, I have everything ready.
Okay.
And yeah, I think it's gonna be nice. I'm gonna enjoy working there, but let's see.
He'll gift us beds, bro, later. Once he gets in
You
Emma.
need a bed for head.
So the thing is, Aniket himself is not.
You know what? When my PS5 came, I was somewhere else on the trip, and my friend picked it up for me.
How excited are you?
Very excited.
Very excited.
That I won't have time. Go with my boyfriend.
Every day she used to get annoyed. Every day she used to get annoyed that we are playing PlayStation 5 for so long.
And now,
And now she is getting one for him because she is annoyed with him.
Oh, bro, you're buying him. Damn, bro. Damn. No, she's not buying. Okay. I thought she
But
was
she is
buying.
letting him buy, which is equivalent.
Yeah. If she's letting him buy, then it's the same thing. So I'm the
I
only.
would have bought for him if it was like 1 month after.
Ah, okay.
If we had like,
If it was 1 month after, once my salary is chill.
oh, makes sense, yes.
Ah, okay.
You can reimburse him.
So I'm the only guy who plays on PC, not PC, laptop.
Still should.
Doesn't matter. I play for fun.
That's the excuse you give.
That is not the excuse I give.
That is the
that is the legit truth.
No, look, you excuse yourself.
You don't like keyboard mouse. Why are you
No,
saying?
I love keyboard mouse. It's just that I don't have it.
Then connect to your PS5. No? We'll play.
There's gonna be a delay.
Ah,
You tried it.
so this is the gaming section. Media Mark Mannheim.
Promotions going.
Yeah, bro. What the hell? I'm promoting this place. Okay, so this is quite steep. Is it like too expensive, or how much was it when it got released? Ah, it's
500. Or 550, yeah.
But we have,
550.
but we
I
have
got it for the same price last year.
479.
Yeah. They have the digital edition, see? Only the digital edition.
Got
The
one.
dance hasn't started, no?
Our dance? No. Got one, the digital edition one. He's like controlling his laugh.
Aniket मेरा हो.
What?
वो
हाँ.
उस पे मेरे साथ ही
हाँ,
मेरे
मतलब अपना फीलिंग बता रही हूँ.
अच्छे से बोलो
Yeah.
ये ना
Now we're going to billing section. How much was it?
400.
399. 399 euros.
At this point, it looks like she's buying it for me.
Yeah,
And
no,
already
she's not buying it. Starting of the video only, I showed everyone that he has already one.
People skipped.
Yeah,
no,
people skip.
Nobody skips. Actually, it doesn't matter, bro. It's for our memory.
And one bag, please.
And bags to you. It's a big bag, yeah.
You got this one.
49 का round figure ही होने वाला है.
Pure bass, no noise. 45. Yeah. It was
Love it.
recommended by pro gamer Vivek.
He was about to say something else.
No, I was not about to say anything. I always say good things about you, Vivek.
No, I saw how you saved my name last time.
What did I say, really?
Nothing. कुछ नहीं.
Owner.
Crazy.
Yeah, no.
And the best headphones ever.
He chose the headphones for you.
Shit. This is too good. Bluetooth wired Bluetooth both. Same as my headphones, just better. And this
He
is
gave the
from-
thumbs up as I expected.
This is from Shreyas and me. I would have drank now if work was.
I'll send it this to your boss, bro. What are you doing in the work hall?
Nothing else. हाँ सुट्टा है उसका नहीं दिखा सकता. This for kid-friendly videos. Like, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe sapas खराब है.
Sabr
We will do a giveaway of PS5.
No way, bro. Ashmi, she'll sponsor.
You get more views, bro.
Okay. We'll do unboxing later then.
Yeah.
So,
It doesn't make sense that 80 euros we can get a new home.
Exactly. It makes no sense. And in 3 years, you never know what.
they plan to set it up in my room. My room is messy.
Sasta PC. Shoo.
My room is messy. Sasta PC that is more costlier than the PS5 twice, 2 times. Wait.
Move it.
By the time you interview.
Okay. Aniket is unboxing.
Fresh.
New controller. Check the number on it actually. I don't know. 1B.
B is nice. B is my
So,
the latest one.
as per him, what will happen if the B?
Controller drift.
Yeah, strict drift. Okay.
Oh, if you want to keep the PS5 like this, so you can add this. I'll show you.
I thought it is for control.
No.
कैसे?
खुला? हाँ, खुल कर. खुल कर.
The end of girlfriend time.
End up?
Who are you?
Girlfriend
Who are you?
Who are you? What are you doing here? बाकी कुछ नहीं. I'm too scared to dance with this in my hand. मेरे को मत देना, मैं तो गिरा दूँ. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ.
ये बता कैसा लगाते हैं?
अभी खड़ा रखना.
और बिठाना है तो वैसा.
First press. Bro, I think this is not on.
Yeah, we'll on it. कंट्रोल भी कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. सिंक नहीं होता.
नया controller दे दो.
Controller looks
Okay.
fresh.
Bro, where's the remote? I'll take it. Bro, the first thing is already on. No, it's the first time.
प्रेस. अभी ये. UK.
Deutsch. German, bro.
Akata Mistra, so.
Ethernet, no. LAN is not connected.
LAN.
Where's your dance show?
Go back. Connecting to network. Adjust display. Optimized experience. Okay. Agree. Yeah. As if I'm not going to agree after buying. Okay. Yes,
Bro is unboxing the.
and you can't tear that.
Yeah, you need to
have
cut it.
slide it. I was about to say, should I get nail cutter?
So this is the first game he is downloading. What are you downloading?
Super Ultimate now.
What is the difference?
25 euros more. 6,000 FC points.
So she's finally enjoying Ashmita Raju. She's playing some monkey game. Astrobot. What are you doing, bro?
वो देख, वो वाला स्केल उसने वो पूरा स्केल ये करके रखा हुआ है.
So in the end, Aniket got cooked 10-0 from somebody online, and yeah, that's it for this video. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.